Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is live? See.
Everybody can see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, all the team members, because they are on mobile, so whether they are able to see or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My dear friend, today the era we are talking about very clear. Earlier we used to talk about before Christ. Today we are talking about
After
before
COVID.
before Corona, before COVID. Today we are talking about before
Yes,
Corona,
sir.
before COVID. During Corona lockdown period, this is the period we have to introspect, which is passing through. We have to introspect, we have to put ourselves in fire, and we have to burn ourselves and bring out a new person. If we are not able to bring out new person, we will remain in lockdown or we will remain in before Corona. We will not move to after COVID-19. We will become a redundant. We are not going to do anything. This is the scenario. I am sharing you one video which will tell you in last 100 years, two major incidents have changed the whole world. The first was, you may be aware, but I thought I'll put a reference. Spanish flu in 1918, where 500 million people got affected and shattered whole world. And another incident was World War II in 1939, which has affected more than 100 million people. These two incidences in the human era, which have changed the complete new look of the world. This was the time where people were thinking whether we are going to survive or the whole world is going to be finished. The same situation is going to happen, my dear friend. Now it is COVID-19. It's a global pandemic, and this global pandemic is going to remain in our blood for next, I don't know how many years, we do not know, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, or we have to learn to live with this COVID. We don't know. This is the situation right now we are in. I'll just show you one small video. Train is passing through tunnel. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Right now we are in tunnel. Before we enter into tunnel, there was a absolutely light. There was shine, a broad daylight. Now we are in tunnel. Life is in tunnel, a complete dark mode. It's in a complete darkness. You know, once you enter into tunnel, suddenly you become absolutely, you are absolutely blackout.
Yes.
And after a few seconds, your eyes are started or that start getting adjusted and start seeing each other a little bit, not 100%, but at least you can see the movement. So during darkness, you start working out and you wait when this darkness will over. One thing is very clear-cut evident. Once we are having a darkness, after darkness, light is there. That is very clear-cut.
Yes.
Life is going to have a light. There is no doubt about that. But when and how, it is up to us. It is our choice. Let me tell you, I'll give you an example. We keep on traveling in Lonavala and we keep on passing through a number of tunnels. The regular drivers or passing through persons, he knows how long this tunnel is. So he's mentally prepared. He's well ready with the blinkers, with headlight, removing goggles, cushioning eyes. He knows how to handle. But the first timer who is crossing the tunnel, all of a sudden he starts fumbling. He has to slow down the speed. He has to adjust his life. and he has to wait because he does not know when it is going to over. This is the situation right now we are in. The people who are making very, very well prepared during this darkness, this tunnel, life, the brightness is ahead. If you are not ready, then be ready for that. You'll remain in the dark for quite a long time. You'll become a redundant. I'll share with you one video. Everybody is seeing Shiv Khera, everybody knows?
Yes, sir.
A recent clip, he has, I don't know, you must have seen, I don't know, but if you have not seen, once again, see, I always believe in WhatsApp, people forward, re-forward and see video, but they do not absorb, they do not learn, they do not understand. Even somebody has seen this video, you will ask them, what is understanding? Nobody will be able to utter a single word. It is very important. Anything has to be processed. Anything has to be evaluated. I'll tell you, Shiv Khera is an international best-selling motivational speaker. His best-selling author book was You Can Win. Listen very carefully and then I'll brief you what he is talking about. He has given one beautiful example and very apt for today's situation. Just go through and then I'll brief you. Everybody is able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर वीडियो वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है बॉस.
Voice नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं नहीं सर.
अभी आवाज आ रहा है?
नहीं
आ
सर,
रहा है सर.
नहीं आ रहा है, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बॉस.
किसी को आवाज नहीं आ रहा है?
सर हेडफोन रहेगा ना तो माइक जरा आप स्पीकर के इधर लेके जाओ. हेडफोन्स,
हाँ सचिन,
हेडफोन रहेगा ना आपके पास,
हाँ.
हेडफोन का माइक स्पीकर के पास लेके जाओ सर, तो आप वॉइस आ जाएगा सर.
I'm not using headphone. Anyway, I will share this video to all of you. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll just brief you. What is all about that? He is talking about serenity prayer because Shiv Khera, you know what is his background? Anybody is aware?
No.
Anybody? Puneet? नाम खाली सुने हो? जयश्री?
नहीं सर, only name actually.
You know, Shiv Khera, he is a person from Dhanbad. He is from Jharkhand, and he belongs to a family who is running this coal mines and all. And then of late, the coal mines has been taken by, it was nationalized and government has taken. And he did his graduation from Sri Ram in Delhi, and then he went to US. And he was doing some work, small work, including cleaning of car and everything. And then he came in touch with Norman Vincent Peale. He was a big motivational speaker in US. Terrific at that time, means almost, I'm talking about 40 years before. So he came in contact with him, and then he was talking about that. So he has shared in this video one example. Norman Vincent Peale was supposed to go to one convocation where large group of people were attending. Everybody is listening me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So when he entered into the hall, by seeing all the people in a very cool and calm manner, he started saying, it looks like that none of the person is having a problem. But still he asked the group that anybody is having the problem in his life? Everybody has raised the hand. Now, second question is asked that would you like to get rid of this problem? Once again, everybody has raised the hand. Yes, sir, I would like to get rid of the problem. Then he has given an example that while coming back to this convocation, this conference hall, I saw one place where a couple of people were absolutely quietly, easily lying there without having a problem. Would you like to join with them? Then people, once again, they raised hand, yes.
Graveyard.
So they said this was a cemetery
Yes.
where all people are lying in a very comfortable way and they do not have a problem. So everybody has stopped raising hand. Then he said, my dear friend,
Life.
if life is not having problem, then you become a corpse, you become a dead body. And if life is having a problem, you know how to handle that. And a person who does not know to handle that, then he cannot be called a human being. And then he shared a very, he calls this serenity prayer. Do you understand the word of serenity? Anybody?
Last phase of his life is going.
नहीं,
Yes.
गेस मत करो. हम सिमेट्री बोले तो सेरेनिटी में मत डालो उसको.
Oh,
सेरेनिटी का मतलब होता है a very calm life. It's a God has given.
God.
As a human being, God has given me calmness, coolness, absolutely a
Peace.
quiet. So God grant me serenity. मतलब God has a, to accept the things that I cannot change. ये serenity prayer है. There are certain things तुम नाक रगड़ के रह जाओ, you cannot change. You cannot change your children. You cannot change your parents. You cannot change your wife. You cannot change your friends. This is the fact. You have to accept that. And courage to change the things I can. I must get a courage to change the things means whatever inside I'm having, I must have a courage to change according to situation. And wisdom to differentiate between what I can change and what I cannot change. So 3 words he has used. A serenity, accept as it is. Abhi corona, we have to accept that. Courage to change the things which I can. Can we change corona?
No,
Which are the things need to be changed?
I can change our job atmosphere.
Myself. First myself.
Myself.
Job will come later.
Myself.
Unless I change myself, I cannot change my job. I cannot change
Yes.
my personal life.
Yes, sir.
And wisdom to know the difference of which I can change or which I can't. अगर ये चीज अगर हम समझ जाते हैं तो मेरे लाइफ में हमको हर जगह एक we can do whatever we can upgrade, we can, it as per the situation, as per the need, we can work and we can do that. And that is the most important aspect of the life. My dear friend, once in a lifetime scenario, it's a birth, death and COVID-19 like pandemic. I did not put marriage because now you can repeat also, you can discontinue, you can continue, you have options. The whole world is moving towards that. But birth, nothing, you can't do anything. Death, you can't do anything. Similarly, COVID-19 like pandemic, we can't do anything.
Yes.
Till date, there is, everybody is talking vaccine. Arey, by the time vaccine will come to us, we'll become dead. Vaccine, what do you mean? Vaccine has come for Ebola? Vaccine has come for H1 swine flu? Nothing. H1, this HIV? Nothing. So in this kind of situation, we have to accept this fact and we have to mold ourselves and we have to put ourselves in front of it. I talked to you in the morning, started with this. Learn to live with this. Between life and livelihood. You see all the steps government is taking. If government is taking all the steps to protect for health hazard, then half of the people will die. we have to do. The people who are dying with COVID, more than that, people are dying with the accident. Crores of people are dying. It is our choice how we are driving, how we are not driving, and still we are. It is becoming fatal. So we have to understand the things that now this is a life. Now question is that in this condition, what is important? Whether livelihood or life? That we don't have any answer. But we have to balance both. Today, HIV, a time has come when HIV has become a big problem in the world because of certain bad habits. And now because of awareness and knowledge, HIV still exists. But people are having a full protection. And still work is going on. It is not like the work is not going on. So we need to understand that thing, but this kind of a situation, we have to learn what are the things we are going to do that. Humans are born to accept the challenge. When we enter to school, there we have to change ourselves to school, not according to our, we joined Adonis. According to Adonis, we have to adjust. Even I joined Adonis, I have to adjust according to Adonis. I cannot carry forward my old legacy. Marriage, according to marriage, I have to adjust myself. Children, according to children, I have to adjust myself. So social and society, social activities, we have to adjust. New places. Even we have to live with existing disease. I'm hypertensive. I'm taking antihypertensive for last 10 years. Now I have to live with this. I do not panic. Puneet has even this problem. Maybe other people must be having some problem. But initial there was some panic. Now we are absolutely controlling ourselves, lifestyle, the change of food habits, medicine regularly. We never miss medicine because it's a question of our life. So now it is COVID-19. We have to live with this. We have to adjust and we have to follow the change accordingly. Now 360-degree new environment. These all norms are going to stay for long years. HIV has changed the complete 360 degrees protection. Before that, there was no protection. There was no awareness. So this kind of awareness has become a life. So in that condition also it has become a life. But stay safe and healthy, cleaning hands, it is going to be life. Sanitization, like we go to the field, anytime we take samosa and eat without cleaning hand. That was before 1st March. Now after COVID or during COVID, we have to do all cleaning. We cannot take samosa. We have to get the samosa heat. Then only we can take hot samosa. We have to take hot food. We have to take social distancing. Era is over. 5,000 people gathering in marriages. It's going to be a small gathering. People will not come. Even you invite me, I will not join because I'll have one thing in my mind. Why should take risk? Even at all very important, I will send a gift, but I will not visit. Money is spent with caution. Before 1st March, you can do anything. After or during COVID, now we can't do anything. We can't spend money. Online education has become life. It is going to be future. No outing and holidaying. 1 year, you forget. Learn to live with limited resources. Today, whatever food materials are available, we have learned in 2 months how to live with a basic food. 40 years back, the people were living with basic food. No luxurious food, no fancy food. The era is over. Use of technology has become a boom. Without technology today, you can't survive even 1 minute. For your treatment to education to everything. So this is going to be our life. Now in pharma environment, what are going to be a 360-degree change? Hygiene and health safety. If you are talking about going physical movement in the field, hygiene and health safety is going to be a most crucial thing. Doctors' practice and prescribing habit,
Going to change, absolutely.
it's going to be completely new. It's a completely going to be new. Chemist dominance. Chemists are going to guide what is to be taken, not to be taken, or they will push you. This is the availability, take it. Now they will tell you this is economical, not economical. Field work and joint field work. We do not know what is going to happen for this field work and joint field work in future. It's not going to be the same what we are doing in the past. It's completely going to be new approach. Maybe I'll just throw some idea. Medical rep will go to few doctors. You as a manager have to go to few doctors. You have to go to few chemists. All independent. You have to find out option.
Yes.
It can't be these rules, regulation, FMRI, union. Nothing will exist. Because nothing can happen if they are going to suffer.
Yes.
They cannot assemble together to shout a slogan.
50 people.
It's a social distancing.
Yes.
Marketing, promotions, and communication. It's a completely. What are the new things we have to find out? We have to find out maybe some e-coupon. Even suppose we want to give, we have to give something like e-coupon, e-gift, all those kind of online services. We don't know. Branded generic, patients will have a choice. If somebody will like paracetamol, it is up to him or her whether he or she is going to buy Arden, Dolo, Zyka, Calpol. We don't know.
Yes.
डॉक्टर केमिस्ट इंटरडिपेंडेंसी इस चैप्टर ओवर. ये जितना भी डॉक्टर केमिस्ट का हैंड इन ग्लव्स बगल में केमिस्ट खोल के अपना प्रोडक्ट पुश करना, दैट चैप्टर इज ओवर. दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. Stockist role. Today maybe salesman become a big motivation factor for us. He'll become an influencing factor. A stockist will have a choice to push which product or which product not. And new technology role. As I mentioned in the morning, e-detailing, video communication, physical, as much as physical contact can be avoided and should be avoided. Abhi usme video detailing can be done at home, not home, that we don't know. Because it all depends upon the, it's not like that only IT or back office will do. Today, imagine all banking system is online.
Yes.
Nobody is visiting bank branch unless you are trapped, unless you are something has done miserably wrong.
Yes.
30 years before, can you imagine? I used to be in the line for teller machine to get my money. And bloody these State Bank and other bankers, they used to put me a stand for almost hours.
सर 30 साल नहीं सर 10-15 साल पहले भी एक घंटा 2 घंटा लाइन में लगना पड़ता
लाइन में लगना पड़ता था. So
पैसा निकालने के लिए.
So now chapter is over.
Yes, nobody is going back.
Now the questions are, I am throwing this question to all of you to think, to process this, to bring out some solution. I cannot have all the solutions. You all, there are 30 people on this platform. So 30 minds are working. I am throwing these questions and we have all put together, we have to find out answers, solutions. How to do joint field work? If tomorrow doctors will not allow, the social distancing, number of medical reps are going to be less. He will not allow, he will ask you to take appointment, e-detailing. He will ask you to detail over phone or mobile. How are you going to do that? How to communicate to doctors? Detailing LBL. I mean, physical visual aid, what is going to happen? If doctor will ask you to detail in the gap of 3 to 4 meters, doctor will not able to see any word what is written on detailing. Visual aid में 3 मीटर में तो visual aid ही नहीं दिखेगा क्या साइज का है. How to generate prescription?
अभी वो थोड़ी ना अपने चैम्बर में बुला के बैठाएगा, कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. It is not going to happen.
Without vision.
Yes.
Means how to generate prescription? If doctor will do through tele consultancy, how e-consultancy, so how we are going to get a prescription? We will not know. How to launch a new brands? It is like a how to communicate to doctor. Unless we communicate to doctors through different technology, it is very difficult to launch physically. How to utilize gifts and samples? How we are going to give our samples and give to the doctors? How to do regular doctor visit, maintaining monthly calls, 250 to 300 calls? How to do POB? How to cope up in virtual clinic, e-detailing, video communication, webinar. Tomorrow manager has to organize 30, 40, 50 doctors webinar. That is going to be your job. Your job is not going to be पीछे medical rep के पीछे घूम रहे हैं and nothing is coming out and coming back.
Every week, manager or regional manager, area manager, every week they are number of companies, sir, they are joining at least one webinar per week.
Absolutely.
Per week webinar. They are already started.
All top companies started.
Yes.
How to enhance new technological prowess, how to enhance the new technological knowledge, skill. Our people are reluctant. Every time they put a question mark. अरे job ही नहीं रहेगा तो question करते रहो बैठ के घर में. See, these are the larger questions we need to understand. Suddenly overnight, I feel 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, experiences, old style, orthodox approach, traditional approach, reminders, fiscal cycle meeting, etc. become redundant. पिछले 2 महीने से हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं और आगे 3 महीने तक हम लोग मिलने वाले नहीं है फिजिकली. So how are we going to communicate? These are the larger questions. It looks like redundant.
Yes.
Abhi yesterday we were talking about how to communicate to doctor when Jayashree shared that Revika daughter has got laptop.
Jayashree's daughter.
Sorry?
Jayashree's daughter.
I mean Jayashree's daughter. So we were not aware even. So these are the situation which is she is also finding कि अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे और अगर हम contribute नहीं करेंगे तो she will become redundant. उनका कोई रोल ही नहीं रहेगा.
Yes.
And that is why everybody is coming out कि मुझे काम दो, मुझे करना है, क्योंकि सबको मालूम है if you will not do, they'll be out of the industry. Everybody show worth. Everybody has to show the contribution. How all the managers, because still managers are thinking in old way. So transportation, physical, field work, you are not bringing a new process. You are not thinking, sir, what is going to be my new role? I feel this is the way I should do that. I feel this is the way we should do that. No suggestion. 30 managers on this Zoom and none of the person is bringing out some new idea. Means everything what we were doing yesterday has to be entirely different today. It's going to be independently. As every manager has to be different. You cannot have this kind of approach. A time has come to convert a routine job to result-oriented assignment. You know, talk is in industry. Already talk is in the industry that a future would be the contract basis. As per your contribution, you'll get your CTC.
Yes.
So now this job appointment letter is going to be the history. It's going to be the era of the past. Now our time has, we need to work out routine job to result oriented assignment. I have a job. Now I have to, it is my accountability, responsibility to convert into result oriented assignment. नहीं तो 1 जून के बाद सैलरी नहीं मिलेगा, मैनेजर को भी बैठे रहोगे घर पे, क्योंकि कुछ करोगे नहीं तो क्या किया जाएगा? कंपनी कैनॉट कीप ऑन गिविंग. So it is your duty कि sir, I am going to contribute this way. I am going to do this approach. I am going to ensure this is my approach. Everybody should start thinking differently. Even 1 month or 2 months, somehow company can sustain. But after 2-3 months, this will exist. You are going to be obsolete. You are going to be redundant. Joint and independent role of managers. Today, the whole world is self-reliance. You have to create self-reliance model. Now, time has come where managers 30% joint and 70% independent role. I think role spelling is wrong here. It's going to be role.
No problem, sir.
Develop new ways to connect to customers. You have to find out how to connect to customers. Webinar, e-communication, video detailing, chemist, stockist, salesman, digital virtual clinic application. Maybe through CRM, this application has to be activated. MediApp, we are working out MediApp, CFA, stockist, chemist. Correct and full information of customers. HO service through courier. Work from home. Work from home is going to be future. Maybe tele-reminders, meetings on Zoom. E-communication to the customers, how to connect as a manager, how to connect to the customers. Technological upgradation, learning. All those factors are going to be here of future. If today we do not realize, our future is going to be a big question mark. What are the gaps observed in Adonis? At this point of time, it's a serious gap. Improper doctor list. I think morning Puneet and I were sharing. No mobile, email, proper. In fact, when we were discussing about MediApp, even a stockist, mobile number is not there.
No, I already said that.
No, I'm not saying. Indranil, we are talking after you spent 30 years.
Yes, sir. Already.
Please understand.
Even
Chemist list, no mobile. Abhi, tomorrow we are going to declare one strong scheme, which I think Jayashree and Puneet, they are discussing with all of you. Abhi, today, if you would have a list of mobile,
yes,
we could have shared in one go. We could have reached to the remotest chemist.
How we will do, sir?
No, I'm not saying, because you do, and we can also support you. What is going to be our role?
Yes.
Our role is going to be supportive. One plus one produce 11.
Without you, we cannot. Without you, we cannot success, sir.
No, that's why, because
Already.
इंद्रनील वो बात
हाँ,
नहीं है. आज की डेट में अगर हमारे
Have to do, sir. Have to do. जो पोस्ट कोविड सेशन जो है, ये हम लोग ये हम लोगों को गाइडेंस है, गाइड रूल है, हम फॉलो करेंगे, सर. जरूर करेंगे.
Managers do not have mobile WhatsApp address of customers. When we talked last time, hardly person was having 5 doctors, 10 doctors. Northeast, it's one of the oldest team, 173 doctors of mobile number. Shocking. MSRs are under old mind frame. We will not come on Zoom meeting. How to educate and counsel? This is manager's role.
Yes, sir.
Now, we can't be in the old frame of mind.
Yes.
Today, are we doing any damage to all of you through Zoom?
This is the most important point, sir. This is our most important point.
See, still, we are today at Mumbai, Maharashtra, because the strongest trade union exists in every factory. And they are talking, Baba, हमको help करो नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are on road.
Sir, एक बात बोलूं, sir. एक बात, just 5 minutes. Last week मेरा एक अंकल डेथ हो गया था. This week वो Zoom में उसका funeral का सब काम हुआ है. Zoom में.
Absolutely, I agree.
जो priest था वो कालीबाड़ी में है, उसका जो वाइफ है वो उसका घर में है, उसका जो डॉटर है वो क्वारंटाइन में है एक होटल में, लड़का है इंग्लैंड में, तो वो काम एक जूम में हुआ है.
Absolutely. So this is the reality.
Yes. Without Zoom.
This is in fact today I saw that news where own children did not attend funeral.
Yes.
This is the fear.
Yes, sir.
This is the fear.
अरे प्रदीप मजूमदार, आवाज मत करिए.
My dear friend, today the most important aspect is developing new skill. Efforts are needed to bridge to enhance skill. If you are not going to add any good skill or new skill, including me, including all of us sitting here, we have to explore new skill. We have to be self-reliant. We have to be self-independent. Then only we can do that. Otherwise, we are not going to do that. How to reinvent the self? Start thinking and working. All managers, I'm throwing this to all of you. How to reinvent self and start thinking and working. You bring out that, sir, in this process, I have brought this new thought process, new ideas, new work style, new way of things which we are going to do. Unless we do, my dear friend, we will not be absolutely agile in coming months. It is once in lifetime change, my dear friend. Life before COVID-19, life after COVID-19. Accept the challenge or surrender. Choice is yours. I am not ready to surrender at all, and I expect my team members are like that, because it's going to be a tough time, but it is going to make a huge difference in our life. Let us accept this challenge and move forward. New thought, life and journey start from here. If you are not going to start a new journey, new thought, then absolutely we will become history. What we are going to do, let us debate for any clarification, any points which you can add, any point which you want to clarify, and let us discuss on that.